Welcome to the Home Automation Easy tutorial. You need just these outlets, the NodeMcu, and the transmitter module, and 3 cables. This comes to D4. The black we put to ground. And the red one to the 3 volt. And that's it.
To GitHub and look at the sketch. Here you can also see the wiring from the transmitter module to the MCU and the outlets I'm using. But now we go to the code. You can download this or just copy paste this into the Arduino sketch. And here's the router name and the router password. And in case you're using a different subnetwork or you want this on other IP, you have to change your IP address and the router address. And then you just upload it to the NodeMcu. Now when we have uploaded the code to the NodeMcu board and the board is connected to the router, then we proceed with the app. Just create a new lamp. In my case, yeah, it's A11 100, and then we have create this light and we find it on the dashboard. And now you can put it on and off, and that's it. You can download the app from the App Store. The link to the app and the GitHub link you can find below in the video description, and leave your comments. Thank you.